In a world that spins so fast, I watch my dreams slip like grains of sand. Frustration builds a storm inside, but in the silence I take a stand. Oh, patience is a river deep, flowing calm through tides we keep. With every heartache, so will mend, learning to trust the way it bends. Lost in moments, time feels cruel, yet I find strength in what I lack. Taking breath, I'm breaking rule, finding power to push back. So here's to waiting in the dark, where shadows whisper, dreams ignite. Each step I take, I leave my mark. Through the battles, I find my light. In the patience, I discover me, the art of waiting, setting free.